Hi there. In this video, I will teach you how to use the one-click 3D text effect on maicovermaker.com. So it's pretty simple. Just click on the text and then click on this icon right here. A lot of 3D effects will appear for you to choose from. Let's try this one. You now have a grunge effect on your text without having to do so much editing. Very easy, right? Let's go ahead and try some more. Looks really cool. Now, sometimes you have to be creative and match the color or the font of your text with the 3D effect you're going to use. Let's say we're going to use the Rust 3D effect. I think the color red would be a match. For this next one, let's use Froze. So I guess blue will be perfect. Let's change the font as well. Now let me go ahead and do this last one. I hope you all learned from this tutorial. I'll see you on the next one.